How to create Hong Leong Bank account online. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're trying to log into the online portal of this bank, you can follow the steps. So head over to the website of the bank, and at the top you can easily find online banking section. Click on it and you can select any of your business or personal account. And after that, you should be finding this interface. So from here, you need to enter a username provided by the bank if you already have an account. Otherwise, you can go ahead and click on register for online banking and it will lead you to another page. So you will require email address, debit card or credit card, and your personal details. After that, go ahead and enter the credentials here, like your ID type, number, and after that is done, click on next and follow the on-screen prompts. And when everything is verified, your HPL Connect Bank Online should be created. So that is how you create the account. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.